Hello everyone, I'm Madison Forbes, and this is my calculator app project. So sorry if I sound kind of stuffed up. I've been sick the past few days. But here's what I have. So, here's all my research. Okay, so my target audience, I decided to go with men and women in the US between the ages of 20 and 35. I feel like it's kind of an important time to save. Okay, so here, let me go down to my prototypes. So these were kind of my final sketches that I based my final design around. And then this was kind of the style I went with. It wasn't what I was hoping for, but this is what I ended up with. So here are all the pages. I just took a screenshot and threw them in here. But these are all the pages I created. So what this app is, it's a budgeting app. And I just wanted it to be like a super simple way to save and budget your money. So when you land on the app, you land on this page and you have 4 different options. You can view your expenses, like your monthly expenses, and that's this page. You can view your savings, and you can set up different things to save for. You can view saving tips. That would be this page, and I wanted it to just be like different articles that you could click on and get some saving tips. And then for this button, it's just a button to create a new budget. So I didn't quite get around to making this page, but I got most of the important stuff made for this app. So your expenses page, you come, and let me show you on Adobe InDesign. So your expenses page, you come to this page here, and it shows you how much you're spending on different things each month, and then it totals it up for you, so you know how much you're spending each month. And I'd like that it was just a simple way to show everything, and it was kind of easy to see it all in one little spot. And then you can add, as you put more money in each month to different things, you can add it all on here. But yeah, and then this is the savings page. So you can create different things to save for. So one of my scenarios, it was a girl who wanted to save for a trip to Europe. So I made this design based off of that one scenario. And so it shows like a fun little picture of the earth. And then it shows how much she has saved so far. And then, so you can view that here. And then I also wanted to be able to show a fun progress page, so you can just go and see, like she can go and see how much progress she has made on her savings. So she needs to save 2,000, and so far she has 600. And then just a fun little way here. So yeah, that was one idea I had. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my app, my final design, and thanks for watching.